So let me show you how to lay a brick, all right? First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take a trowel. You're gonna get a little bit of mortar on your trowel, like this, right? And then, I wanna make sure you can see, you're gonna come to your brick and you're just going to put that down in the center right like this, right? And I like to do one row at a time, so I'm just gonna lay this right on here like that. I don't know if this is proper bricklaying technique, but I found myself doing this a lot, where I just use my hand and I kind of scrape it off, and I can kind of guide it more where I want it. Now, does this get you extra messy? Yes, but you know what? For me, it's gotten the job done, so I'm not going to complain. And then what you're going to do, make sure you've got a good thick amount of mortar at the end and at the beginning of your row for the ends of the bricks. And then you're going to, I don't know if it's called feathering, but that's what I've been calling it. So you're going to take your trowel, press right in the center, and come all the way down your little rung of brick here. And now, see, last time here on this piece, I had a half brick here. So this is a half brick that I started here with this time. So this time I'm gonna start with a full brick. So I'm just gonna come over with my full brick here, and I'm gonna lay this right on top of that last brick. The great thing about laying brick is it's kind of forgiving. I think of it like making a birthday cake, because you can, you know, if you don't get it the first time, you can lift it up, you can replace it, all those things. Again, I don't know if this is proper bricklaying technique. Technically, you just scrape this off, and then I put mine back here at the back of the brick to kind of make the header. I don't know if that's what it's called either, to make the header for the next brick that I lay. So just put that right back there. And so I've got my full brick here. I know that it's flush because I have a metal door in the front of this, so I'm just making it flush with that. And then you can always use your level. You want to check that your bricks are level this direction as they run. So this one needs to come down just a hair. And then you also want to make sure that they are level from side to side. One easy way to do it is just to tap, tap, tap it, just very gently with the handle of your trowel. Scrape off that excess. You're ready for the next brick. Come over, get brick number 2. You want to make sure that there is a good amount of mortar between the 2 bricks. So I just take a little scoop of mortar like this, and I put it on top of my brick. I've been calling this the head of my brick. I don't know if that's correct vocabulary. If you're a bricklayer, please tell me. So then you just butt them up together, making sure you're keeping your first brick in place, and you're going to squeeze them in real good. Again, I've been scraping off that excess and moving it back to go on the next brick, just like this. Yes, I don't know if this is proper bricklaying techniques, but this is how I've laid this whole kitchen, so we'll see if she falls apart. All right, so I'm going to keep laying some brick, and good luck if you're doing the same.